Are you secretly addicted to the crisp, fizzy burn of a cold soda, but hate that brutal sugar crash that always follows? Swapping your daily soda for sparkling water triggers a massive biological shortcut. Your brain isn't actually addicted to the liquid candy, it's addicted to the sharp, popping sensation of the carbonation on your tongue. The second you switch to sparkling water, you instantly trick your brain's reward center with that exact same fizzy burn, completely satisfying the craving with zero sugar, zero artificial sweeteners, and zero calories. Within just 2 weeks, your body stops storing excess liquid sugar as stubborn belly fat. Your skin clears up from better hydration, and your energy stays steady and level all day. You get all the fizz without any of the fat. Are you cracking open a sparkling water tomorrow?